Hello everyone, welcome to Lead Waves. In the last video, we have seen a module called bulk messaging. I have explained how to use bulk messaging modules to send bulk messages by using Lead Wave. Now in this video today, I am going to explain you how to use opt-out management. This is a very crucial module because what happens when you start sending bulk messages to your customer or unknown number, it is sometimes very annoying to the customer, so they start reporting your number, so it results in the number getting blocked. So we have made a provision in Leadwave wherein we can add a simple button called unsubscribe in your bulk messages. If people do not wish to receive any more messages from you, they can simply click on unsubscribe and opt out of your messages. So next time when you create a bulk messages, this message will not go to these people. How it is going to work? We will create a small test here. We will create a template first. I'll add a simple button. This is just an example. You can use it as for your requirement. So I'm writing, if you wish to opt out from our messages, please click the button below. And we will add only one button which says unsubscribe. Okay. We will just click on create templates and we will send this. I will just select the instance ID. I'll write the number here. I'll select template. I'll select unsubscribe button and I'll click on send. Before that, let's check the phone is connected or not. Okay. So the phone is connected. I'll simply click on send. Okay. I have received the button here. So what I'm going to do is simply click on unsubscribe. Okay. So after getting on unsubscribe, I have received the message. You have been unsubscribed from our messages. Please subscribe to our backup. Okay. So when customer send subscribe, they do remove from the opt-in messages, opt-in list. So I hope you understood this and I will see you in the next one.